Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So, our next chapter is chapter 19, Fundamental Operations related to algebraic expression. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. So, first let us see addition of like terms. Addition of like terms, it is very simple. Let us take one example, 3x and 5x. These two are like terms. If you have to add these two like terms, just add this numerical coefficient 3 plus 5 and then put the variable. The same variable you can put. Okay, so the answer will be 3 plus 5, it is 8x. Okay, so just add the numerical coefficient, put the variable same. Now let us take another example, 8x square y and minus 5x square y. You have to add 8x square y plus minus 5x square y. So here also just add the numerical coefficient 8 plus minus 5. Okay, then variable, here it is in this like term, what is the variables used? X square y. Okay, in the both term it is x square y, so that you can write x square y. Now 8 plus minus 5, it is 3. Then x square y. 3x square y will be the answer. This is addition of like terms. Okay. Now addition of unlike terms. Unlike terms we cannot add. Okay. Two unlike terms we cannot add. Let us take a 2a plus 3b. We can't add. Just write 2a plus 3b. Okay. We can't add this unlike terms. But like terms we can add like this. Just add the numerical coefficient, put the variable same. The same case we can use for subtraction also. Subtraction of like terms, just subtract the numerical coefficient, put the variable same. Okay, let us take one example, 8x minus 3x. So in here two like terms you have to subtract. So just subtract the numerical coefficient, that is 8 minus 3, put the variable same, x. So 8 minus 3, it is 5. 5x will be the answer then. Okay. Minus 7x minus 3x. Let us take another example. Minus 7x minus 3x. So what to do? Just subtract the numerical coefficient. Minus 7 minus 3. Then the variable used is x. So you can put x. Minus 7 minus 3, it is minus 4. Okay, this will be minus 4. Put the variable. Minus 4x will be the answer. Now subtraction of unlike terms. We can't subtract two unlike terms. 2a minus 3b. We can't subtract this. Just write 2a minus 3b itself. Okay, so like terms we can add and subtract. Unlike terms we cannot add and subtract. ഓക്കെ ലൈക്ക് ടേംസ് മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ അഡീഷനും സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അൺലൈക്ക് ടേംസിൻ്റെ അഡീഷനും സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനും ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് പോസിബിൾ. നൗ ലെറ്റ് us do exercise 19a. First question, fill in the blanks. First one, 5 plus 4, we know it is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 5x plus 4x it will be 9x. You can add the numerical coefficient, put the variable same. So 5x plus 4x will be 9x. 12 plus 18 equal to 30 and 12x square y plus 18x square y will be 30x square y. Now third one, 7 plus 16, it is 23 and 7a plus 16b. These are unlike terms, so we can't add that. Just write 7a plus 16b itself. Okay, don't add this 7 and 16. Don't add this. If they are unlike terms, you cannot add that. Just simply write 7a plus 16b. Okay. Now fourth one, 1 plus 3, we know it is 4 and x square y plus 3xy square. Here you can see x square y. Square is for x. But here xy square is for y. These are unlike terms. So don't add this. Just write x square y plus 3xy square. That will be the answer. Okay. Fifth one, 7 minus 4. We know it is 3 and 7ab minus 4ab. So these are like terms, ab. Variables used are same. So you can subtract. 7ab minus 4ab will be 7 minus 4, 3. 3ab. Now sixth one, 12 minus 5. We know it is 7 and 12x minus 5y. So these are unlike terms. Subtraction is not possible. Just write 12x minus 5y. Now 35 minus 16, it is 19. And 35ab minus 16ba. Here you can see ab in the first term. Variables used are a and b. ab. Here also ab or ba. ab we can write it as b also. Multiplication is commutative. AB and BA are the same. So these are like terms. 35AB minus 16BA we can subtract. 35 minus 16 is 19. Variables used are A and B. So 19AB will be the answer. Now 8th one, 28 minus 13. It is 15. And 28ax square minus 13a square x. So here you can see square is for x. Here square is for a. So these are unlike terms. So we can't subtract that. Just write 28ax square minus 13a square x. That itself you can write. Okay. Now second question in that first one. The sum of minus 2 and minus 5. That is minus 2 plus minus 5. We know it is minus 7. Okay, and the sum of minus 2x and minus 5x, that is minus 2x plus minus 5x, it will be minus 7x. Minus 2 plus minus 5, it is minus 7. Put the same variable, minus 7x. Okay, so in the first blank, the answer will be minus 7. And in the second blank, the answer will be minus 7x. Okay, now in that second one, the sum of 8 and minus 3, that is 8 plus minus 3. The answer will be 5. 8 plus minus 3, it is 5. And the sum of 8ab and minus 3ab. 8ab plus minus 3ab. What will be the answer? 8 plus minus 3, it is 5. Put the same variable, 5ab. So the answer will be 5ab. Okay. Third one, the sum of minus 15 and minus 4. That is minus 15 plus minus 4. So it is minus 19. Minus 15 plus minus 4. The answer is minus 19. And the sum of minus 15x and minus 4y. Okay. Minus 15x plus minus 4y. These are unlike terms. So we can't add these. Okay, ഇത് unlike terms ആണ്. So നമുക്ക് add ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Just write that itself. Minus 15x plus minus 4y. Okay. Now fourth one. 15 plus 8 plus 3. 15 plus 8, it is 23. 23 plus 3, you will get 26. Okay. And 15x plus 8y plus 3y. 3x, sorry. Plus 3x equal to dash. Here you can see 15x and 3x are like terms. But 8y, this is not a like term. Okay. Like terms only you can add. ഇവിടെ 15x ഉം 3x ഉം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. 8y ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Okay. 15x plus 3x, it is 18x. 15 plus 3, you will get 18. Put the same variable. So 18x plus this 8y you can write. Okay, so the answer will be 18x plus 8y. Like terms only you can add. Unlike terms you can't add that. Okay. Now in that fifth one, 12 minus 9 plus 15. 12 minus 9, it is 3. 3 plus 15, you will get 18. And 12ab minus 9ab plus 15BA equal to dash. So here you can see these are like terms AB. Here also AB, here also AB or BA. AB and BA are the same. Okay. So 12 minus 9 plus 15, it is 18. So the answer will be 18. Put the same variable AB. 18AB. Okay. Do the 6th one and 7th one as homework. Now in that third one, question number 3. Add 8xy and 3xy. First one, 8xy and 3xy you have to add. Very simple. Just add the numerical coefficient. 8 plus 3. It is 11. Put the same variable 11xy. 11xy will be the answer. Okay. Now second one, 2xyz plus xyz plus 6xyz. You have to add 2xyz, xyz and 6xyz. So 2xyz plus xyz, that means 1xyz. Okay, here the numerical coefficient is 1. Simply xyz means it is 1xyz plus 6xyz. So on adding these like terms, what you will get? These are like terms. xyz is the variables used here. You can add the numerical coefficient. 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 plus 6, it is 9. Variables are x, y, z. So 9xyz will be the answer. Okay. Now in that third one, 2a, 3a and 4b. 2a plus 3a plus 4b. So here you can see 2a and 3a are like terms. So you can add this. 2a plus 3a, it is 5a. 2 plus 3, 5. A is the variable. So 5a plus 4b. This you cannot add this. 5a plus 4b you can't add because these two are unlike terms. Okay. Fourth one, 3x and 2y. That is 3x plus 2y. So you can't add these two because they are like unlike terms. These unlike terms I don't know add. So the answer will be 3x plus 2y itself. Okay. Now fifth one, 5m, 3n and 4p. That is 5m plus 3n plus 4p. Clearly these three are unlike terms, m, n, p. So the answer will be 5m plus 3n plus 4p itself. Okay. In that sixth one, 6a, 3a and 9ab. 6a plus 3a plus 9ab. 6a and 3a are like terms, so you can add these two. 6a plus 3a, it is 9a. 6 plus 3, 9. Put the same variable. So 9a plus 9ab. Now these two we can't add. Here the variable is a, here the variable is a and b. So these are unlike term. The answer will be 9a plus 9ab. Okay. In that seventh one, 3p, 4q and 9q. That is 3p plus 4q plus 9q. Here you can see 4q and 9q we can add because they are like terms. So 3p plus 4q plus 9q. 9 plus 4, it is 13q. So the answer will be 3p plus 13q. Now we can't add these two. 3p and 13q we can't add because they are unlike terms. Okay. Now 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th you can do as homework. Okay. Fourth question. Evaluate. In that first one, 6a minus 5a minus 2a. So here 4 terms are given. You have to subtract that. And we know these are like terms. 6a, a, 5a, 2a. All the terms have the variable a only. So they are like terms. Variable is the same in all the terms. So they are like terms. So what we can do? Like term subtraction. We can subtract the numerical coefficient. 6 minus a means it is minus 1a. Okay. 6 minus 1. Then minus 5. Then minus 2. The variable is a. Okay, 6 minus 1 it is 5. 5 minus 5 0. 0 minus 2 it will be minus 2a. So this will be the answer, minus 2a. Okay, second one, 2b minus 3b minus b plus 4b. So here also you can see all the terms have the same variable. That means they are like terms. 2b, 3b, b, 4b, they are like terms. Okay, so like terms addition and subtraction we can do. That means we can add or subtract the numerical coefficient with the same variable. Okay, variables same, variable ഏതാണോ വരുന്നത് അത് സെയിം ആയിട്ട് ഇടാം, ന്യൂമറിക്കൽ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഹിയർ 2 minus 3 minus b means minus 1b it is. So minus 1 plus 4, variable is b. Okay, now 2 minus 3 it is minus 1, minus 1 you will get minus 2, minus 1 it is minus 2, minus 2 plus 4 you will get a 2. So 2 variable is b, 2b will be the answer. Okay, second one. Now third one, 3x minus 2x minus 4x plus 7x. So here also you can see all the terms have the same variable. Variables used are same, x. So you can add or subtract the numerical coefficient. This numbers you can add or subtract. So first one, 3 minus 2 minus 4 plus 7. Okay, variable is x. So 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 it is minus 3, minus 3 plus 7 you will get a 4. Okay, so 3 minus 2 minus 4 plus 7 it is 4, variable is x, 4x will be the answer. Okay, now fourth one you can do as homework. Fifth one, 8x minus 5y minus 3x plus 10y. So here you can see variables used are x and y. Okay, 8x and minus 3x, they are like terms. So we can subtract that, 8x and minus 3x. Take the term along with the sign. ഒരു ടേം എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അതിന് തൊട്ട് മുമ്പിലുള്ള സൈനും കൂടി ചേർത്തിട്ട് വേണം എടുക്കാൻ. Simply 8x means it is positive 8x. Okay, so 8x minus 3x, these are like terms. Then minus 5y plus 10y, these are like terms. Okay, 8x minus 3x we can subtract because they are like terms. 8 minus 3 it is 5. Put the same variable x, 5x. Next, minus 5y plus 10y. Take minus 5 and 10. Minus 5 plus 10 it is 5. So plus 5. Simplify means it is positive 5. So positive 5, the variable used is y. So 5x plus 5y will be the answer. Okay. Fifth question, evaluate. In that first one, minus 7x plus 9x plus 2x minus 2x. So here also you can see all the terms have the same variable. That is, they are like terms. ഇതെല്ലാം like terms ആണ്. Minus 7x, 9x, 2x, 2x. Okay. So we can do the addition. That means we can add or subtract the numerical coefficient. So minus 7 plus 9 plus 2 minus 2. Variable used is x. So x equal to 2 minus 2 it is 0. So we can cut that. 2 minus 2 this is 0. Minus 7 plus 9 it is 2. Minus 7 plus 9, the answer is 2. Variable is x. So 2x will be the answer. Okay. In that fourth one, 19 ABC minus 11 ABC minus 12 ABC plus 14 ABC. So here all are like terms. So you can add or subtract the numerical coefficient with the variables same. Okay. 19 minus 11 minus 12 plus 14. Variable is ABC. Okay. Now 19 minus 11. What is 19 minus 11? It is 8. Okay, 8 minus 12, it is minus 4. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 14, you will get a 10. Okay, so this is 10. Variable, you can write 10 ABC will be the answer. Okay. Now, sixth question. Subtract the first term from the second. First one, 4AB, 6BA. So, from the second one, you have to subtract the first one. That is, first from 6BA, you have to subtract 4AB. Second in the first subtract and second term in the first term subtract. Okay, so from 6BA, you have to subtract 4AB. 6BA minus 4AB. We know that these two are like terms. BA and AB are the same. Okay, only the order is different. It is commutative. AB equal to BA. So we can subtract this. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Then variable it is AB. 6 minus 4 it is 2AB will be the answer. 2AB. First one. Okay. Second one. 4.8B. 6.8b. So from the second one you have to subtract the first one. So 6.8b minus 4.8b. From 6.8 you have to subtract 4.8b. So how to do? These are like terms, so you can subtract the numerical coefficient. 6.8 minus 4.8. Variable is b. Okay. So 6.8 minus 4.8, you will get 2. It is 2. Variable is b. 2b will be the answer. Okay. In that fourth one, let us do the fourth one. 3 1 by 2 mn, 8 1 by 2 mn. So from 8 1 by 2 mn, you have to subtract 3 1 by 2 mn. So 8 1 by 2 mn minus 3 1 by 2 mn. Okay, let us convert this to improper fraction. This is mixed fraction, so let us convert this to improper fraction. 2 into 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 mn minus 3 1 by 2. It is 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 mn. Okay. So these are like terms, mn, mn. The variables used are same. These are like terms, so you can subtract the numerical coefficient. That is 17 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Variable is mn. Denominators are same, so you can subtract the numerator. 17 minus 7, it is 10 by 2 mn. And we know 10 by 2, it is 5. So 5 mn will be the answer. Okay. Fifth question, second and third one, and sixth question, third one, you can do as homework. Okay. Now, seventh question, simplify. In that first one, 2a square b square plus 5ab square plus 8a square b square minus 3ab square. These are the terms given. You can add or subtract the like terms only. Unlike terms, you can't add or subtract. Okay, so find which all are like terms. 2a square b square. Like term to this term. 2a square b square. You can find here 8a square b square. Okay, so 2a square b square plus 8a square b square. You can group. Now 5ab square and minus 3ab square are like terms. So you can group that too. 5ab square minus 3ab square. Okay. Now you can add the like terms. 2a square b square plus 8a square b square. 2 plus 8. You can add the numerical coefficient. 2 plus 8, it is 10. Variable, it is a square b square. So 10a square b square plus 5ab square minus 3ab square. So these two are like terms. You can do the subtraction. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Variable, it is ab square. So this will be the answer. 10a square b square plus 2ab square. We can't add these two because these are unlike terms. 10a square b square 2ab square unlike term ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ വേരിയബിൾ a square b square ആണ്, ഇവിടെ വേരിയബിൾ a b square ആണ്. They are unlike terms, so don't add that. Okay, so this will be the first one answer. Second one, 4a plus 3b minus 2a minus b. Group the like terms first. 4a and minus 2a. If minus sign is coming means you have to take the term along with the minus sign. Minus sign ഇങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ term എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ minus sign കൂടി ചേർത്ത് വേണം എടുക്കാൻ. So 4a you can write first, then write minus 2a. 4a minus 2a. Okay. Similarly 3b plus 3b minus b you have to write. Don't write simply b. 3b minus b you can group. 4a minus 2a. 4 minus 2 it is 2. Variable is a, so 2a will be the answer. Plus 3b minus b. 3 minus 1. 1b it is. 3b minus 1b. Simply b means it is 1b. 3 minus 1, 2. Variable is b. So 2a plus 2b will be the second answer. Okay. Now in that seventh one, 9xyz plus 15yxz minus 10zyx minus 2zxy. So in this term you can see variables used are x, y and z. The order only changed here. X, y, z. In the first term x, y, z. Second term also x, y, z. Third term also x, y, z. Fourth term x, y, z. So these are like terms. Okay, we know that multiplication is associative. Any order we take the numbers, the result will be the same. Okay, so we can add or subtract these like terms, these terms. Let us take the numerical coefficient. 9 plus 15 minus 10 minus 2. Variable used is x, y, z. Okay. 9 plus 15, it is 24. 24 minus 10, 14. 14 minus 2, 12. Variable is x, y, z. So 12 x, y, z will be the answer. Okay. Now in that ninth one, 4ab plus 0 minus 2ba. So 4ab plus 0, it is 4ab itself. Okay, any number plus 0 you will get that number itself. So you can write like this, 4ab minus 2ba. Now here you can see in the first term variable is a and b. In the second term also it is a and b. Only the order changed. Okay. So these are like terms. You can subtract the numerical coefficient. 4 minus 2. Variable is ab. Okay. 4 minus 2, it is 2ab. So this will be the answer. Now in that last one, 10th one, 6x square y minus 2xy square plus 5x square y minus xy square. So first step is group the like terms. Like terms neka group cheyanu vendathu. 6x square y and 5x square y. X square y. These are like terms. 6x square y plus 5x square y. These are like terms. Okay. Then minus 2xy square. Minus 2xy square and minus xy square are like terms. Okay, minus 2xy square and minus xy square are like terms. You have, if minus sign is coming means you have to take the term along with the minus sign. Minus sign na friend il varunnuണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതും ചേർത്ത് വേണം ടേമിനെ എഴുതാൻ. And you have to understand one thing, x square y and xy square, they are not same. X square y xy square different ആണ്. Okay, here in this term square is for x, in this term square is for y. They are not same, they are different. Okay, so 6x square y plus 11x square y you can add. They are like terms. It is 11. 6 plus 5, 11x square y. Now minus 2xy square minus xy square you can subtract. Minus 2 minus 1 it is 1. Simply xy square means it is minus 1 xy square. Okay. So minus 2 minus 1. The answer will be minus 3. So here you will get minus 3, variable is xy square. So final answer you will get 11x square y. 11x square y minus 3x y square. This will be the answer. Okay. 6 plus 5 it is 11, minus 2 minus 1 it is minus 3. Put the variable same. So do the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one and eighth one you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.